update, day 69, and today I've got two things to show you in the kitchen. So the first thing is we've got the backsplash all along over there and all the way over here, and that looks really nice. Next thing we get in is subway tiles, which is going to fill the space over there and over there as well, and that's going to look really cool. And then lastly, we finally have a working sink. Check this out. Very cool, and for anyone who's interested, this is how it looks below. Very neat job. And that's the update for today.